Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to install the adjustable levers, that is the brake lever on the RS457. Since you already know RS457 does not get the adjustable brake lever nor the clutch lever is adjustable. So as of now, what we will do is, I have got the KTM Duke 390's adjustable lever. Because I have ridden the Duke 390 for last 6 years, I want to adjust the brakes according to my finger reach, and in the stock brakes I am not able to do that. So for that, I bought this for 1946 rupees in Hyderabad. So let's go ahead and install these brake levers on the RS457. In order to open the brakes, I need to open this nut which is present over here. This is going to be a DIY kind of a video. This is not too technical, anyone can do this. So I am doing it at home without taking it to the mechanic. So after doing this, I need to unscrew this bolt. Screw is removed. You can see the brake lever has come out. Let's take out the new levers. So these are the adjustable levers. It has 5 steps adjustment. This is the original KTM 390's brake levers, which you get with the Duke 390, Adventure 390 and the RC 390. If I compare these brake levers with this, the angle, the pushing point to the piston, everything is same. Only difference is this has an adjustment, this does not have an adjustment. So I've also got new nut and bolt with this particular adjustable lever. So I'll not use the Aprilia nut and bolt, I'll use the original nut and bolt which I got it with these levers. So first I push it inside and then I install the nut. The nut has been installed. The bolt has been installed. Now installing the nut. Now the levers has been installed. Now it is set at number 5. 5 number is the closest which you can have within your reach of your fingers. If you want to make it more far, just push the lever backwards, and if I make it to 4, it goes a little back. And similarly, if I set it at 1, this is the maximum distance that you can get between the brake lever and the grips. If you want the closest distance, you need to select to 5, and this is the closest. So I have 5 different selections over here, and this is a very good feature to have on the RS457. After installing the brake lever, even the brake switch is working fine. If I press the brakes, you can see that the brake light is working. I'm pressing, the brake light came on, releasing, went off. So the brake lever is working with the brake switch perfectly fine. KTM Duke 390's adjustable brake levers is a perfect fit for the RS457. There is no issues at all. You guys can also go for it. Till the time accessories don't arrive, this is the modification that I have done for the brakes. I'll test the brakes and show you how it performs on the road. This will be a lever review as well as brake testing review. I know many of you were concerned about the braking feedback on this bike, but trust me, using in the city or in the highways, you will not face any issues with respect to the braking. Now at the speed of 77 kilometers an hour, if I pull the brakes, it is shedding speed. Can you see? Not at all a problem. The brake lever is set to 3. As you can see, these are the adjustable levers. So even if you don't want to wait for the original Aprilia levers to arrive, you can go for the KTM adjustable levers, which has 5-step adjustment, and it works awesome with the RS457. Does not look like something which is installed aftermarket. It looks like as if it came stock with the bike. So that was the adjustable lever video for you guys. Keep subscribed to my channel. Most of you are watching the videos and going away but not subscribing to the channel, so I request everyone to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next videos, and do keep posting your comments in the comment section down below. I am reading all your comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye.